Welcome to Gyan Niketan online channel. Myself Roji, IB teachers. Today I am going to take class of class 12 and the topic of my subject is DBMS and MySQL. First of all, I would like to introduce DBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management System. Database means collections of interrelated data, and DBMS is a software used to store large amount of data that can be easily accessible. And the purpose of DBMS is it is used to reduce the data redundancy. Data redundancy means duplications of data. Duplications of data means same piece of information can be stored in different places, and DBMS system reduce the data redundancy. Next purpose is it also controls the data inconsistency. Data inconsistency means data mismatching. And other purpose is it provides the data security. Data security means unauthorized user cannot access the database system. That is, only the valid users are permitted to access the database management system. And it also provides the data sharing. Data sharing means the same piece of information can be shared by the multiple persons at a time. Now we describe the RDBMS. What is RDBMS? RDBMS means Relational Database Management System. Relational Database Management System means data are stored in the form of table, and the tables are known as relation. We can also make a relationship. We can also create a relationship using the RDBMS. And in relational database management system, as I have already discussed that data stored in table and tables are known as relations. As we know that table is a combination of row and column. So row of a table is known as tuples of a table, and columns of a table is known as the attributes of a table. And total number of rows in a table is known as cardinality of a table, and total number of columns is known as degree of a tables. And the RDBMS examples are MySQL, MS Access, Oracle. Today we will explain you MySQL. MySQL is a open source relational database management system. Open source relational database management system means the MySQL is freely available. It can be downloaded from www.mysql.org. It is freely available. We can download it and install in our system. MySQL is a relational database management system. MySQL is a relational database management system where the data are arranged in the form of table. The MySQL is freely available and it supports the different type of query language. It also provides the data security and various data types. And it also works on the different type of command. Different type of command in MySQL are, I am explaining different types of command in MySQL. What are the commands in MySQL? MySQL commands are divided into three parts. First one is the MySQL commands divided into three parts. First one is known as the DDL command. Second is known as DML command, and third is known as TCL command. DDL means data definition language command. DML means data manipulation language command, and TCL means transaction control language command. DDL commands means command that are used to define the structures of a database or table. Means the commands through which we can define the structures of a database. That is how we create database, how we create table, and how can we modify the structures of a table comes under the DDL command. DML commands means data manipulation command. Data manipulation command means commands that are used to do the work of table data. Means commands that are used to manipulate the data of a table. Commands means how we insert the data into table, how we delete the data from table, and how we modify the data from table, that is known as DML commands. And TCL commands means transaction control language command. Transaction means a setup instruction that is either completed successfully or rolled back. If the transaction completed successfully, then it is known as committed. Otherwise, it is known as rollback. Transaction control command means either completed or rollback. The command that comes under the DDL is, first one is create, second one is draw, and third one is alter. These three commands comes under the DDL command. Create command used for creating a table, creating a database. Drop command used to drop a database, drop a table. And alter command used to modify the structures of a table. DML commands means select command. Select command is used to retrieve the data from a table. Means it is used to make the simple query in a table. Second one is delete command. Delete command is used to delete the row from a table. Delete command is used to delete the row from a table. Means we delete entire row from a table. And insert into command. Insert into command is used to insert the row from a table. And last one is a update command. Update command is used to change the data of a table. In next class, we will discuss the syntax and semantics of all the commands. Okay, students?